Hi guys, so I got this in a few months ago. It's the Proxl Plasticolor Kit. It's for bumpers and plastic repair. It's got 9 aerosol cans, different colors, the plastic grip, which is like an adhesion promoter, the Protex B, which will give you your grain in the plastic bumper that you're repairing, or the plastic trim, a plastic fill, so a little filler. It also comes with a great color swatch and the t-shirt. So let's have a look at each item individually. So your 9 aerosols that come with this kit. Comes with a little fan deck, so you've got your color chips there and a fan, and those colors relate really well to the actual color that's going to come out of the tin. You've got 3 different types of black here. You've got the traffic black, black and jet black. I like that. As we all know, black is not black, so that gives you a really good option. You've got a light grey, medium grey, then you've got a mid grey and a mid grey 2 and a mid grey 3. So you've got 3 types of mid greys. You've got a dark grey and you've got a smoke to finish it off. So that should cover most of the sort of grey black bumpers or trim that you're going to come across. Other products you get in this kit is their plastic fill, so Proxl Plastifill. This is a bumper plastic repair adhesive, filler, sorry. Easy to sand, yeah, in my tests it was easy to sand, cured nicely and remains flexible. Obviously the flexibility of it depends on the thickness that you're putting on. If you're going to go put a really thick amount, it's not going to be flexible. This is for a light skim. So that's their filler, comes with everything you need, a little spreader and some hardener. Nice little bit to add to the kit. You've also got their plastic grip. This is a plastic adhesion promoter. I'm a huge fan of Proxl's adhesion promoters. I really like them. I like the way that they go on, their drying ability. Do you know, it's just a good product. You come again with 2 different nozzles. So you're going to get a slightly finer application out of one than you would of the other. So that's that. So, but what's different in this kit compared to other ones is their texture coating. The texture coating on this is just in one tin. So they've got one tin does it all, so to speak. Other products on the market will have one tin for fine text, one tin for coarse. Proxl have combined it, just put it in one. And how have they done that? It's really simple. They've just changed the nozzles. So the red nozzle on here will give you a finer texture, as you'll see shortly in the video, and the white nozzle will give you a more coarse texture. And they clearly work. As you'll see, there's 2 different textures produced by these nozzles, which is quite handy. If you need to build up your textures a bit more, you can just apply a couple of more coats. Another key thing that I really liked about this product is that when you sprayed your texture, you don't have that sort of coarse, not coarse, but sort of grainy, like a sandpaper finish. And for those of you guys who are out there doing this, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So you don't need to flatten that off. This one you can just spray it on, get the texture finish that you want, so a coarse or a fine, and then finish it off with one of their color trims. So that covers what you get in the kit. Now you can see the difference between the fine text on the bottom and the coarse texture on the top, and it's achieved simply by changing the nozzles.